Join me as I dive into the world of Mlgo stock and see if I can predict whether it's about to explode. Mlgo stock has been on my radar lately, and I've been getting a lot of questions from viewers about its potential. This little-known stock has been quietly gaining traction, and some investors are starting to take notice. With its recent market performance, it's no wonder people are wondering if Mlgo is about to make a big move. One of the biggest challenges facing Mlgo stock right now is market volatility. We've seen some wild swings in the market lately, and it's been tough for investors to get a read on what's going to happen next. Add to that some investor skepticism about the company's long-term prospects, and you've got a recipe for uncertainty. This kind of uncertainty can be a major obstacle for any stock, but it can also create opportunities for savvy investors. Some investors are worried that the company is still in the early stages of development, and that it's going to take a while for it to start generating profits. The current market conditions are definitely playing a role in Mlgo's performance. We've seen some big players in the industry struggle with similar challenges, and it's hard to know how Mlgo will come out on top. Despite these challenges, there are some reasons to be optimistic about Mlgo's future. Let's take a look at some recent news and financial reports to see if we can get a better sense of where this stock is headed. Recent news has been mixed, with some analysts predicting a major uptick in Mlgo's stock price. The company just released its latest financial reports, and they're looking pretty good. Revenue is up, and the company is making progress on some of its key projects. Of course, there's still a lot of work to be done, but these reports are definitely a step in the right direction. Some experts are weighing in on Mlgo's potential, and their opinions are worth considering. So what do analysts think is going to happen with Mlgo stock? Some of them are predicting a significant upturn in the near future. They're pointing to trends like increasing demand for the company's products and a strong track record of innovation. These are definitely positive signs, but it's also important to keep in mind that there's always some level of risk involved with any investment. A few analysts have noted that Mlgo's management team has a proven track record of success, which could be a major factor in the stock's future performance. In terms of key insights, one thing that's worth noting is the company's strong position in its industry. Mlgo is a leader in a growing market, and that's a great place to be. Of course, there are always going to be challenges, but this kind of position can definitely help the company weather any storms. Some trends that could impact Mlgo's performance include changes in government regulations and shifts in consumer demand. To recap, we've covered some of the challenges facing Mlgo stock, as well as some recent news and expert opinions. We've also taken a look at some key insights and predictions from analysts. Overall, it seems like Mlgo stock has some potential for growth, but it's also important to do your own research and make informed decisions. If you've got thoughts on Mlgo stock, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let's get the conversation started. If you're interested in learning more about Mlgo or other investment opportunities, be sure to check out my other videos for more analysis and insights.